feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
All right, your boy Trigger Man, back in the lab. And today, what we have here, today we're gonna be displaying some more products from the company TEMU. This is for you DIY guys, you backyard bandits, weekend warriors, warehouse willies. But yeah, no, seriously, this is what we got today. First off, we have the Hypson Pneumatic Orbital Sander. This comes equipped with a 5-inch as well as a 6-inch hook and loop Velcro backing pad. What you have is a dual action sander. Good for sanding down all of your projects, lightweight, heavyweight, fine grit, coarse grit, and everything in between. And as you can see, it's not too loud, about 50 decibels. And next up, what we have, the N-Tools Model 8800 Professional Spray Gun. Okay, comes equipped with a 1.3 nozzle, stainless steel. Also comes with a cleaning kit, brush, tool to take it apart. Then also we have the 20-piece microfiber cleaning cloth. 20 pack, that's double-sided. You got your bright yellow, then once that get dirty, you can flip it over, then you got your gray. So you're getting double the usage. So a 20 pack, really you're getting 40 in a sense. You dig? So yeah, so that's pretty much what we got going on here today. And make sure to download the TEMU app now. Search code DWS8899 to claim your $100 coupon bundle. $100 coupon bundle? Come on, man, who can't use that? $100 coupon bundle. Search the code DWS8899. Okay, download the TEMU app now. You can also scan the QR code in the lower right hand corner of the video. Okay, so the code is up during the video as well as the QR code to the right. If you're not good with searching and so forth, scan the QR code. It's right there for you. It'll be up the whole entire video. Okay, right now we have one more product that was sent in. It might be a little bit off subject of this video, what we're spraying the flakes and the candy, but it is something that you need in the body shop. Definitely doing little repairs with plastics, headlights, and so forth. And here we have the Dremel tool. This is a 76-piece mini cordless Dremel. Very small, compact, 3 different speeds. Comes equipped with a lithium-ion battery, 3 different speeds from 5,000 RPM up to 15,000 RPM. Portable USB-C type charger. Look at this little thing. It's cool, man. It's cute. It's small. You can get right in between things. Get the job done. You don't have to get Just kidding. Just kidding. Just kidding. You don't have to get out extension cords, trying to find an outlet somewhere. You just go grind. This here is a headlight that we repaired. So just sanding down, smoothing out the fine little details. That's all you need, man. You know, you can even switch the attachment to make your actual repair with this. Okay, I switched it to a more coarse sander. That's all you need, simple. Now it's a finishing stone right there. This is an actual stone attachment. Boom. Okay, now we're ready to spray. Okay, all right. Now we're setting up. Where we at? Okay, spraying down some silver base. This was a Hyundai paint. I forget the code. It's a few videos back, about 2 videos back. That was some leftover paint that I had from a Hyundai job, Hyundai SUV. Okay, if you really want to know what the code is, feel free to go back and watch. But putting down some of that, again, gonna do everything with this little N-Tools 8800. Very nice gun, high transfer efficiency. Very high. As soon as you pull the trigger, it's like the paint is there. It's like you don't even see it leave the gun. I did a review on another one of these guns from TEMU way back. It was an N-Tools. It was actually the N-Tools gun that looks like the DV1. That gun. Love the gun. So TEMU's putting up some pretty good guns, man. These N-Tools, you guys who tried it, you can't deny it, man. Right now, the metallics I'm putting in, well, the flakes. This is a mini flake. Mini flake into a base coat blender. So we're gonna see, can this gun distribute these? Look at it, sprays it out, no problem. No clogging. Again, this is a 1.3 tip on here. Some guys say they like to use a 1.5, use bigger tips when they're spraying these flakes, doing flake jobs. But this gun handled it, no problem. And it was a lot of flakes. I shot this video about 2 weeks ago, and until this very day, there's still flakes all over the floor in my booth. I mean, I dumped purposely. I just dumped a lot of flakes into there. And now on this fender, I'm just putting a little bit heavy at the bottom, and then just a light coat across the top. Nothing too excessive. Okay, so that's not a lot. And now we're gonna pour in some candy. This was lime company candy, which after I sprayed it, I wasn't too crazy about it in comparison to some of the other candy concentrates out there. So I poured that directly into my clear coat. So this is actual 35, 5 and 2 is 7, 37 PSI. So yeah, this is actual clear coat. I'm gonna put 2 coats of candy clear coat over it, and then I follow it up with 2 regular coats of clear. Okay, so that's what we're doing here. Again, the gun handled the base, it handles the metal flakes, it's handling the candy coat. So it's pretty much safe to say that the N-Tools gun can handle anything you throw at it. And I'm pretty sure it can handle some primer and sealer if need be. So this is the second coat of candy here. And I tell you, the camera, the GoPro, doesn't do this thing justice, because man, those flakes were jumping out all over the place. Looked like 3D. Matter of fact, if you got some 3D glasses, put them on now. Put on your 3D glasses now.
Trigger man, hey bro, man, what the hell you talking about some damn 3D glasses, man? I don't see nothing yet, bro. Hey man, and who in the hell got 3D glasses, man? What you think this is, bro? Friday the 13th, huh? Man, nobody got no goddamn 3D glasses no more, bro. Hey, old school, man. Nobody got no 3D. 3D. D's, no. Nobody got no 3D glasses, chill. But it do look good, though, bro. I mean, oh, now I see those sparkles, bro. Yeah, now I can see the sparkles. Man, the damn N-Tools did all that, huh? Man, I'm gonna have to place me an order. I'll take 1 sander, 1 DA, take 1 spray gun. Oh, look at there, bro. Man, this sucker look like a disco ball, Trigger. Yeah, I like that shit. I like that. Look at the disco ball, bro. Ah, bro, that gun did that, man. Damn, bro. I like that shit. Yeah, that one just a little bit. Yeah, it's just a little in that one. It's not all that noticeable, you know. The other one looked like a goddamn disco ball going down the street, brother.
So as you see, the products did a great job. And remember, download the TEMU app, search the code DWS8899 for your $100 coupon bundle, or search the QR code in the lower right hand corner. Also, I used this spray gun for about 4 jobs that day. This was just another little job here. I was spotting in out in the middle of the shop. Again, the gun performs well, no problems. All day, I did 4 jobs, no problem, none at all. Base coat, clear coat, base coat blender. I've sprayed sealer through it, clear coat, metal flakes, candy. You name it, it does it. All of the products work well. Remember, download the TEMU app, search the code, get your $100 coupon bundle. I want to thank you guys for watching. Catch you in the next one. Peace.